In this video, you'll learn how to easily integrate Asana and Notion to streamline your project management. By the end of this guide, you will successfully connect these two platforms, allowing for seamless data synchronization. Begin by navigating to the Notion website and signing into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, either create a new database or open an existing one that you wish to use for this integration. Consider what specific Asana data you want to sync with Notion, such as tasks, projects, or deadlines. Prepare the database fields accordingly, ensuring they align with the data you plan to import. This preparation is crucial for a successful integration. Next, you will need to connect Asana with an automation tool that facilitates the integration. Popular options include services like Zapier or Integroma. Open your chosen automation service and sign into your account. Once logged in, you will initiate the process to create a new integration. This typically involves authorizing both your Asana and Notion accounts securely. The automation tool will prompt you to grant permission for access to both accounts. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this authorization. After authorization, you will set up the integration by selecting the trigger and action rules. For example, you might choose a trigger in Asana such as new task and an action in Notion like create database entry. Carefully configure these settings to ensure that the data flows correctly between the two platforms. Once you have set the rules, it is advisable to test the integration with a sample task to verify that everything functions as expected. This testing step helps identify any potential issues before full implementation. Once the integration is established, it is important to monitor the sync data regularly, periodically check both Notion and Asana to ensure that the data is syncing correctly. If you notice any discrepancies or errors, you may need to adjust the integration rules accordingly. Maintaining a consistent structure in your database will also help ensure that the integration runs smoothly over time. Regular monitoring is key to a successful ongoing integration. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.